Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I hate to do this to you, but I have a scale to review. This is a smart scale from a company called Eros, and actually the company that sent it to me is called INEVIFIT. I think that's how you say it. And they have all sorts of fitness stuff on their site, as well as like meal prepping things and a kitchen scale and fitness things. So this is all about, you know, being fit, not just thinner. So for your fitness goals, the cool thing about smart scales is that they have these little metal things that when you step on it with your bare feet, it can measure all sorts of things. So the app has, I'll show you on the back of the box because it's bigger than the app. So you can just set it up with your phone and there's a little QR code on here and it's really easy to set up. I had zero issues with, you know, just connecting my phone to the smart scale and then setting up my profile, and you can set, you know, your age, your weight, your goal weight, your, you know, if you're pregnant or whatever, and if you're an athlete or if you're not an athlete and, you know, mostly have no physical activity. You know, I mean, you can do all of these things. You can also add additional people. So my husband and I can both use it, and you just log in as you and, you know, connect it to the scale and you're good to go. So anyway, it measures all of these things. You've got your body weight, your BMI, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, basal metabolism rate, and metabolic age. And I don't honestly know how accurate these are. I had a smart scale before and I compared the two of them and they were slightly different, but not hugely different. Like my metabolic age was 38 on that scale and it's 40 on this scale. So who knows? Also, if you weigh yourself at different times of the day, it might give you different results. So anyway, if you are trying to build up muscle, and I know for a lot of people when you start on a fitness journey and you haven't worked out before, a lot of times, yes, you're losing weight, but you're also gaining muscle, which can be, you know, contradictory according to the scale, and you never know. It's like, well, my pants fit differently, but I don't weigh any less. So it's nice to be able to see those changes on your little app. One of the things that I complained about my last one was that it made this horrible sound like a bing that I found insulting, and I kind of went on a little tirade last time I talked about my other smart scale, but it's easy to just turn the sound off and then you don't have to deal with that nonsense and you're good to go. So I've been using this for several weeks now. I still have the sticker on it for some reason. I was like, well, I'm gonna review this. I should leave the sticker on and show you guys that it comes with a sticker. I don't know why, you know, sometimes these weird things come into my head that I think are important. Anyway, I'm gonna take the sticker off right now. So the scale is currently around $50. They do have other scales that are a little less expensive, and I think that originally this scale was like $99 or something crazy. So if I have any sort of discount code or anything like that, I will leave that in the description box, so make sure that you check out that. I really like having a smart scale. I think one of my personal favorite things about it is that it tracks your weight. So I can look back and be like, oh, actually I have lost weight, or, you know, that's right, around, you know, before Thanksgiving I weighed this much and then after Thanksgiving I weighed more. The app is really easy to use, and you've got kind of this honeycomb style situation over here, and it, you know, shows you like the blue is low. What is low? Subcutaneous fat. I have low subcutaneous fat. Interesting. The rest of them are all normal. I think green is high. What is this? Oh, my total muscle weight. Yeah, buddy. You know, so you've got things like that, you know, it's kind of color coded to let you know, and then it has my goal weight up here, my current weight there, my body fat goal over here, if you want to set that. I didn't set mine because I don't know what it's supposed to be, and mine was like in the normal range, so I was like, whatever. But you know, if that's something that you're like, okay, well, I need it to be here, you know, you can set those goals. It also tells you what your weight change. Minus 3 pounds, really? So it says from November 12th, I've lost 3 pounds since November 12th. I haven't weighed myself since Thanksgiving, you guys. Honestly, I just wasn't gonna do it. I'll weigh myself like next week. So you can see my weight fluctuates quite a bit. But you know, I mean, it's a good way to track it and just to be able to see your progress as you go along. And then, like I said, you can have different accounts. So I have my account and then Colin's account, both on my phone, but he could put it on his phone if he really wanted to. And then they have a products page where you can get other products from the company, which, you know. Anyway, I like having it just so I can keep track of these things and know where I am. And I'm constantly playing with my diet and trying different things, and you know, and I do all sorts of activity. And so, you know, I like to see where I am, especially like I do, you know, I've definitely been gaining muscle over the last several months, ever since I started jujitsu, really. And so it's kind of cool that I have high muscle mass. I feel super strong right now. So anyway, I've been enjoying this. I do think that it's kind of cool to have a smart scale rather than just seeing numbers. It's nice to see your whole picture. I wouldn't base everything on it. You know, get your normal physicals from your doctor, get blood work done for all of that stuff. But if you do have especially specific fitness goals, I think that this could come in really handy. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. You guys can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!